Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Now I am going to show you how to add tags on your YouTube videos easily using TubeBuddy extension. Or without it. And also how to copy other people's tags and use them. You start by installing TubeBuddy extension on www.tubebuddy.com or use the link in description. For me, I already have it, so make sure you install it. Then go to your YouTube and open your YouTube Studio. Click on Content and choose the video you want to add tags to. Then scroll down to tags. You can see that TubeBuddy modified the interface somehow. And it will suggest some relevant tags. You can use them if you want. Or you can type your tag and use comma to separate tags. So let's see how to copy tags from other videos on YouTube. As you have installed and signed in, on every video aside you will see this analytics. Copy the tags and then you can paste it in your tags. Now thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and comment to let me know if it worked for you.